In the previous vlog, you saw the tropical island of Con Dao in the south of Vietnam. After a few relaxing days, it was time for us to go back to the start, Hanoi. From here, we'll do one last trip to one of the highlights of our holiday in Vietnam, Tam Coc and Ninh. Let's get going!
You excited to fly again?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yay!
Get to the next airplane, we have to first get out and then go through security again. This is only an arrivals place. But at least we got the nice sticker. And now we're all the way outside. Fun. We made it back through security. We're glad our second flight today is half an hour later than originally posted. And now we're just having another banh mi. I imagine if the line for security would have been longer, it could have been stressful if the departure was at 1 o'clock. Because it's now 12:40. The gate got changed from gate 5 to gate 7. And then from gate 7 back to gate 5. Let's see where we're gonna go next.
It once was 11 as well.
Oh, it once was 11.
For 2 minutes or something. Then they changed their minds.
Back to 5.
Yup.
And now it's back to 7. We're finally boarding. I think it changed like 6 times, the gate.
I think it was gate 7 in the end.
Yeah, it was. Back to Hanoi. It's kind of crazy that we had to take a bus and 2 trains to get from Hanoi to Saigon. And now we flew back from Ho Chi Minh City to Hanoi and it only took 2 hours. I wouldn't take the train again the next time. Made it back to the hotel. Yeah.
Rice paper là lettuce. Lettuce là vanilla. Marshall brown. Noodle. Okay, and pork. My margin is what? Oh, pretty. Yeah. Wait cho rest ở đây. No teacher. He's happy. I'm happy.
Thank you.
Here. Still good. That's right. 20 minutes more. Vietnam will have last match with Thailand. So hope today we can have the winner and bring trophies to Vietnam. Okay.
We're about to hit halfway. What's it called again? Breaks?
Today we're doing a tour to Ninh Binh, and the bus is already here, so we gotta go. Come on. Good morning.
We booked this great tour to Ninh Binh via the hotel, and we're in this limousine bus, which is super comfy. So let's see what Ninh Binh is all about in the surroundings. We have arrived at the first stop, which are the dancing caves in Ninh Binh, and we're going to walk up quite some steps, around 500. And as you know, I'm not very fond of steps, so let's see how I'll do. And so we start. Next up was a little bike trip. We hoped a little bit more of it, but it was still really fun and the region is so pretty. We also made a quick stop at Hoa Lu Temple, which is located at the ancient capital of Vietnam during the 10th century. Afterwards, we made our way to the highlight of the day, the famous boat tour in Ninh Binh. This is it for our Vietnam series. We hope you loved watching it as much as we did traveling there. We'll see you in the next series where we'll be cruising on the Mediterranean Sea in Europe.
Look, man. Look. De Pika is a dirty ass. Oh, Pika.
Oh, remsporen.
Dirty Pika. bit much or many?
Echo.